Hi everyone, Nathan here, and today we got my Polar Express, and you didn't even know that it was motorized up. So let's go with, you know that these passenger cars are from a different Lego train set, but we're going to be reviewing the engine and the observation car. So the engine. So the engine, it looks good, and also, just ignore that power coaster at the back. Just ignore it, guys. Guys, just ignore that power coaster at the back there. We will do that in another video later, after this one. But one of the features is that it's got a bell that actually does this. Actually makes a ringing sound. And if you listen closely, you can hear the bell every time. And also with rod, the connecting rod connecting to the wheels. But I did 3 pair of wheels. I only did 3 driving wheels on each side because I don't have 8 driving wheels. Just like how the one in the movie had like 4 driving wheels, but I don't have 4 driving wheels. So yeah, but it looks pretty good. So I just used 3, but it looks super good. And so yeah, okay. So with the boiler, and I couldn't have. I don't know how to have boardwalks like there to this, but I couldn't do that because maybe on my update video of this. But it didn't look like this before, but this is one of my updates of it. So, yeah. And also, the cab. Oh! Okay. So, the cab, I didn't put anyone in there yet. Yeah, but... Wait for me. Just wait for me, guys. Yeah, and yeah, now with the tender, you can see all this wiring, and there's actually, and it struggles to put pushing the engine, but but my dad actually ordered an M motor on eBay. It's gonna be here and it's gonna arrive. It will be here until 30 days, and it's been the 2nd day now until it comes. So yeah, and I really want to attach it to the one of these driving wheels. Yeah, but this, you didn't realize it. I actually wanted. It's actually just look. Whoa! Look at that. I'm actually turning this, and then that actually turns it. Yeah. That's it for the engine. Okay. This looks super cool. The observation car, the back of it. I just had a Harry Potter minifigure because I didn't have Billy, so I just used Ron for the lonely boy, and he's actually at the back. That gold thing right there is supposed to say PE, and that's for Polar Express, and there's actually a light, and I didn't have the light pieces for the roof, so I just used yellow, and it still looks pretty good. But yeah, that's it for this video. Okay, and see you later. Bye. Okay, I'll turn it on. All aboard! This is the Polar Express. Oh no, the subway! There's subways on the tracks. I can do it. Whoa! Bye everyone, subscribe to my channel, and guys, help us have more subscribers because I have only 6 subscribers, and I only have like the least subscribers in YouTube. So guys, would you just please help me to get more subscribers, and please watch my videos because they're great. And subscribe to this video if you like it. Bye!